how to stake on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to stake on Kraken. So in order to do this procedure, you have to log in into your Kraken account. Along with that, make sure that the account is verified. And right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the Earn tab from the top. And as you do that, you'll be able to see this page. So here you need to go ahead and select Stake. After you tap on it, then you can go ahead and select the currency type. Accordingly, enter in the exact amount that you wish to stake with and click on Stake located right at the bottom. And if you've enabled two-factor authentication, then you need to verify it by entering the confirmation code. As you're done entering the confirmation code, click on the confirm button. Moving on to the next step, you'll be able to see your staking transaction. Go ahead and confirm it or just review the information. And lastly, you have to review all of these information. If you're sure about it, then confirm it. That's how you can stake on Kraken. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.